Hello students. So in the last video we have discussed about some basic questions of limits, right? So in this video we are going to discuss some more questions related to exercise 13.1 of limits and derivatives chapter. So let's get started, okay? So today we are going to discuss about problems related to indeterminate forms. First of all, what do you mean by indeterminate forms? For example, if they have given a question of this form, limit x tends to 2 x square minus 4 upon x minus 2. Okay, so since in this problem x is tending to 2, so in place of x we have to substitute 2, right? So 2 square minus 4, 2 minus 2. 2 square is 4, 4 minus 4 is 0, 2 minus 2 is 0. This 0 by 0 form is called as indeterminate form. Why? Because the value of this expression cannot be determined. It has more than one different value. So it is called indeterminate form. Before I start explaining about 0 by 0 form, limit means when x tends to a, f of x should tend to some value, right? When x is tending to a, f of x is tending to some value, right? This L is called limit of the function, right? Tends to means it is approaching, but it is not equal to exact value. X tends to mean it means it is just approaching, right? Here in the question, x is approaching to 2. If x is approaching to 2, numerator is approaching to 0 and denominator is also approaching to 0, right? Approaching to 0 means value near to 0, right? If I take numerator as 0.01 and denominator is also approaching to 0, if I take the value close to 0, 0.02, then we are going to get 0.005. okay. Likewise, if I take the value near to 0 as 0.01 upon, here denominator is also approaching to 0, so I am taking, instead of 0.02 I am taking 0.03. This value is also close to 0, right? If I calculate, I will get 0.333 and so on. If I am changing the approaching value, the value is also changing, right? If I take 0.2 in numerator, this is also close to 0, right? In denominator I am taking 0.5. This is also close to 0 and I will get 0.2. You observe, if I am changing the approaching value, the answer is also changing, right? So if I keep on changing the approachings, the value close to 0, the value is also changing. So we are getting different values, right? So this 0 by 0 form has very many values, different values. So mathematicians got confused. What is the exact value of this 0 by 0 form? So they gave the name of this 0 by 0 form as indeterminate form. Indeterminate means value cannot be determined, okay. And one more thing, this 0 by 0 form can also be, this 0 can also be written as 0 into 1, right? And again this denominator 0 can also be written as 1 into 0, right? Now I am separating these numbers, 0 by 1 into 1 by 0, okay. 0 by any real number is 0, right? 1 upon 0 is infinity. According to 0, 0 is very small number such that if I multiply 0 to any number, I will get answer as 0, right? So according to 0, we are getting this answer as 0, right? According to infinity, infinity is the very big number. If I multiply infinity with any number, I am going to get infinity as the answer. So according to 0, we are getting 0 as the answer, and according to infinity rule, we are getting infinity as the answer. If I am changing the approaching value, I am getting different answers, right? So there are many values. So mathematicians gave this 0 by 0 form as indeterminate form. Value cannot be determined, or otherwise if a mathematical expression has more than one different value, then it is called as indeterminate form, okay. If they have given question of this form, 0 by 0 form, we are going to rewrite the function and we are going to cancel the factors because of which we are getting 0 by 0 form. Okay, so here is the first question based on indeterminate forms. Okay, so limit x tends to 1, x cube minus 4x square upon 4 into plus 4x upon x square minus 4, right? So here x is tending to 2, right? So in place of x we have to put 2, right? So 2 cube minus 4 as it is, in place of x 2, 2 square, 4 as it is, in place of x 2, and in place of x 2, here x square, so 2 square minus 4, right? 2 cube means 8, 2 square 4, 4 4s are 16, plus 4 2s are 8, 2 2s are 4, 4 minus 4 is 0, 8 minus 16 is minus 8 plus 8 upon 0, minus 8 plus 8 is 0 by 0. So we have got 0 by 0 form. What I have told you, if we get 0 by 0 form, what we have to do? We have to rewrite the function, right? So rewrite the function. So in the numerator, which is common? X is common, right? So take x outside. If I take x outside, we are left with x square, right? Minus 4x plus 4 upon x square. This 4 can be written as 2 square, right? Now factorize. Okay, 4x square, right? 4x square, multiples of 4 is 2, 2s are 4, in between we have to get minus 4, right? So here put minus sign, and x. Okay, so limit x tends to 2, x as it is, x square as it is, minus 4x can be written as minus 2x minus 2x plus 4. This is again, this denominator is of the form a square minus b square, right? So the splitting is a plus b, a minus b, right? So x square minus 2 square can be written as x plus 2, x minus 2, right? Now limit x tends to 2, x as it is. So group these numbers, which is common here. In between these two, x is common, right? So take x outside. So if I take x outside, we are left with x minus 2. Again in this, minus 2 is common, so we have got minus 2, right? Again x plus 2, x minus 2, right? Now observe this numerator. In numerator we have x minus 2 as common, right? So limit x tends to 2, x as it is, x minus 2 is common, and again group these two. So x minus 2 upon x plus 2, x minus 2 as it is, x minus 2 gets cancelled. So observe this, because of these two factors only we are getting 0 by 0 form. Put 2 here, 2 minus 2 0, 2 minus 2 0. Because of these two factors we are getting 0 by 0 as the answer. So what we are doing, we are rewriting the function and cancelling the factors which are, because of which factors we are getting 0 by 0 as the answer. Okay, we have to rewrite the function and cancel the factors which are responsible for 0 by 0 form. Okay, now substitute limit value in place of x. Now substitute 2 in place of x. Okay, 2 minus 2 upon 2 plus 2, right? So 2 minus 2 is 0, 0 into anything is 0 upon 4. 0 by any real number is 0. So 0 is the required answer. So don't get